Hello, today I'm going to be taking you through how you can create an event on Partyra. Partyra is a social connect platform that allows you to discover events around you. If you're an event organizer, creating your first event on Partyra is quite simple. To get started, all you need to do is go to Partyra, create an account, and immediately sign up. Once you sign up, you would come to this page. If you are using the web, you can easily navigate to create events, and then you will find where you can create your events. If you're using the app as well, you are also going to find where you can create your event right on the app. But this is for event organizers that are accessing Partyra on the web. So first thing you need to do, sign up, come to create event and click on public event. On Partyra, you can either create a public event or you can create a private event. A public event allows anybody to see your events on Partyra, while private events would only be accessible to those who you share your event to. So I'm going to click a public event and then click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you want to get started. So here I'm going to start with the name of my event. So I just name it Yalta launch. So basically, we're gonna do all the filling, and then we move to the next stage. Okay, so as you can see here, I've started filling it, starting with the name, the organizer, description, the event category. So I'm just going to continue. In this session, it says, do you have a promotional event, a promotional video? So here I'm just going to upload my video. So let me do that very quickly. So basically, as we can see here, this is quite straightforward, and you will be done in no minutes. So next, I want to upload my events banner. So I'm just going to come here and upload this. So this is my event banner. So let's just proceed quickly. What is the location of your event? So this is happening in Lagos. So I type Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so quickly fill that up. And the next thing you want to do is to upload the start dates, to type the start date and the end date. So the start dates, I want to put it, let's say tomorrow, time 12 a.m. And then it's also ending same day on the 16th. Here I want to put 9 p.m. Okay, so let me quickly do that. Okay, so then this. Next, you want to add your venue name. And then the time zone. Next, you want to select if it's a recurring event or not. So a recurring event means that you do it maybe at a regular interval, maybe weekly, monthly, biannually, so this is a one-off event, so I just put no. Is there a dress code? If there's a dress code, you want to include that. Do you have event lineup? You also want to add that. Next, you want to tag your events. So as you can see, this is a party, so I just put this as you want to select something appropriate for your events. So that is that. You also want to tag what kind of food and drinks. So I just put food, restaurants, and I think that's all with the tag. So next, let's move on. Do you have a season arrangement? You can also do that. Next, we want to click on next. So now they ask us, is this ticket going to be sold on Partyra? So here I put yes, and then you go ahead and fill it up. What kind of ticket? Is it open ticket? That means can everybody buy your event, or attendees need to purchase tickets? So this is not a free event, so this is a paid event. So here I click on paid. And then we move on to the next field. So here I click on next. So next we're going to fill up the ticket. So you want to give your ticket a name. So I'm just going to name it as Yalta launch party. Then give it a description. So I will just duplicate this. Okay, then how many tickets do you want to sell? So in this case, I'll just put 10. I'm selling 10 tickets. Maximum number per user, so I put 2. So a user can only buy maximum of 2. So you can do all this configuration when you also create your account. So what's the ticket price? So I put 5,000 naira, and then you click on add tickets. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the price of the ticket, 5,000. The fees is 4,500. This fees is our commission, as we charge 8.5% on ticket sales. So if this is fine, you want to click OK and then move to the next session. As you can see, you are expecting to sell 10 tickets. Total price is 5,000 naira per ticket. So if you're fine, you want to click on continue. So I click on continue, and then you review everything once again. If it's fine by you, you can click done, or you can add more tickets. So in this case, I'm going to click done. So next, you want to click on create events. So Partyra feed is not allowed to be empty. So let us add that very quickly. So you want to quickly complete all the other details. You want to select when you want to end the sales of tickets. So here I put a date and also put a time, and then I click on sets. Next, we have Partyra fee. So this is a breakdown of how Partyra charges for every ticket sale. So we'll make it very visible, our commission structure, so that we don't keep you in dark. Next, you want to apply fee setting. Do you want to absorb all fees, or you want to pass the fees to your attendees? So in this case, I'm going to select, I want to pass the fees to attendees. So in this case, attendees will pay the commission plus the ticket sales. So that is quite clear. Next, we have tax settings. So do you want to charge tax for this event? So in this case, I click on no, and then I move to the next thing, event settings. So if you want to show the guest list so that others who come to see your tickets can view your guest list, you can toggle this on. If you want to allow users to post on your events, you can also toggle. If you want feedback, you can toggle. And if you want to get alert whenever a ticket is sold, you can toggle that on. This is a refund policy. We have standard refund policy, and we have custom. You can also create a custom refund policy. So whatever works for you, you can decide to choose that. So next, you want to look at FAQs. So if you have some set of questions that you feel your typical customer may be interested to know, you may want to add that. So in this case, I have no FAQ. I'm going to leave that as it is. So if you're done, you just click on create events, and you can see event created successfully. So that is the simple process of creating events on Partyra. As you can see, it's quite simple. It's straightforward, and you should be able to create your events on Partyra within 1-2 minutes. Thank you.